Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about calculated columns versus calculated measure, how it differs actually. So basically calculated columns, coming from the existing column data, it process every row, its memory consume compared to the measure, which is dynamically prepared and with aggregated data is faster. It will store less in memory compared to the calculated column from the existing columns. So I'm going to take the existing data here as usual financial. So here we have the data financial. Okay, I'm going to use as usual table visual. Here I'm going to take count country and the sales. This is the calculated column computed based on the existing column called sales, which process for every rows existing in the data. Whereas now I'm going to create a measure in the similar way in the existing table with the reference of existing column. So I'm going to create a new measure here. Okay, sum of sales. Okay, so using summarized DAX I'm using it comes from financial data. I'm going to give the name sum of sales for this as a label, or sales volume I can name it, and sum. I'm using aggregated function called sum and against the value. Now the measure got created. Now let's go to the report canvas area. Here I am going to make use of the measure which is created. Okay, so this is the same, both look like same. The first column is coming from the existing column with a calculated column which processed by every row by row, which memory intense, compared to the measure one, the next column what we just now created using summarized DAX, so which is much faster compared to the other. In the dynamic way, in aggregated data it's calculated behind the scene, which stores very less data, so which is more useful and powerful for our use case. Okay, this is a simple use case in everywhere we can use it. Thanks for watching my video friends. Hope this video is useful for you. Please subscribe my channel.